Hey guys, we're back here with a 2016 Toyota Sienna. Need some new rear brake pads, so shouldn't be too hard. We're not doing rotors, we're just going to be doing pads today. So all we need is a 14mm socket, a C-clamp to compress the piston, and some good quality brake lube. So let's get started. We've got two 14mm bolts, one here at the top, one here at the bottom. So get those guys loose. And no, I did not go through and pre-loosen anything on this. That's just how they are. These things don't have to be monkeyed down too bad. Got the bolts out. Just gonna pull the caliper off, set it up here. We're gonna use a C-clamp to compress this piston. Pull one out. The inside one out here. They're not too bad, but we got the new ones. We're already in here, so we'll just get it done. So what I've done here on this piston is I've put the pad in it. Just gonna get my clamp out here. Around behind it, and this way we can press the piston in. I wanted to make sure we weren't smushing anything up here, but we're not. We got that all pushed in. Just comparing the old pads to the new pads, so we have to put our brake hardware on. See, we got a little piece right there. Just want to put that on the new pad. Just like that. So they match. That's going to be on the inner. Then I got the outer pad here. Make sure those match perfect. Just popping our old brake hardware off. Make sure we got nice, fresh, new hardware. Let's see here. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Got all our brake hardware in. Now we'll install the pads. There we go. Slide in there nice and semi-easy. Let's put it in the right way. There we go. Now we've got our hardware and new pads in place. We're just going to get our grease here and lube up our caliper. Just putting grease on all the contact points so you don't get any squeaky here. Caliper lubed up. Pull out our pins. Yeah. Can put a coating of grease on these. Make sure they all slide nice and yeah, bottom one was stiff. Make sure these guys slide nice and even to get even brake pad wear. Okay. Now it's just time to reassemble everything. Should go straight forward. Rotate our caliper back down. Bolts put back in. Those torque back down. There you guys go. Job done. Now that we've completed our brake job, the most important part, brake pedal, you don't want to push that until it firms up. That way those pistons and the calipers have come all the way out and you're not going to go through a fence when you back out of your driveway. Anyway guys, if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.